Oh, look at that dark cloud, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, hello guys. Oh no, what is this? Look at that. Gray, gray sky. Just come out the sun for a couple of minutes, and now I have another. No way, no way, man. But yeah, welcome to another video, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another PDC series. So sit back and relax and enjoy the walking, guys. So shout out to all the people that managed to come here and having a great time here. So what's the news? Well, not too bad. The sun came out for a couple of minutes and now it's gone again. So guys, this is a very quick update for you guys to see what's going on every single day in different parts of Avenida. So we are here in the middle. We just passed through Centro Atlantico, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, this is what we have. But there's a lot of people here now having their holidays, so not too bad actually. It's 24 degrees, guys. Better dry than, you know, what day. That's a great thing about Lanzarote, you know. It's gonna rain for a few minutes and the sunshine will come out as well. Look at that, it's up in the sky saying hello to each other. Nice. And just walking through out here and this villa. You see, there's another, you know, mark of the sand upstairs and the rooftop, sorry. Of the Kalima the other week. It's really bad, you know. All white turn to red. Let's get right. El Kiosco never failed. They always have a customers, rain or shine. So that's a good thing about, you know, little restaurant, little bars, and very cheap one as well. So they get a very different various of drinks. For example, they give a pint for how much? 2.50? 2 euros? I have no idea really. Back then, about a few years ago, when I'm still drinking and smoking, I know all the cheapest bar that you can go. But now, I have no idea. Never been to the bar for many years now. I don't know, maybe that's the thing. If you get some, start the family and, you know, starting to learn how to manage your time with the family. For me especially, you know, like what we're doing right now, vlogging every day. This is my sideline, my side, what do you call this? If I have extra time, I do want to move around. But if I don't, well, you know it for sure. So La Ola, I always pass through here but never go inside, because I don't have any guts to come there, and they gotta say me to stop filming. I don't like that, but you know, respect. But Benny is always here. Benny always do the video around here, but me, no, not really. I'm a bit shy. In casino. This La Ola, ladies and gentlemen, it's very, very, very big one actually. Very big establishment. Very big business. So if it don't work well, you know, expensive nowadays. So better put a small business only. For me, you know, that's what I'm thinking about, but in the near future. Casino, guys. And welcome to the Golden Bar. So many tourists as well. That's good. Oh, they do have breakfast. Look, they do have main menu as well, guys. So if you have a chance to visit them, we're gonna get serious for food review now. Most of the day I just walking around and showing people what's going on in Avenida. So I'm not really a food trip, but I have a colleague named Felix. We have a channel, he made a channel about food trippers. That means, our niche is all about food. Food review, food something, find food. I think that's the main thing. So it's really, it's really interesting one. But the problem with us, I do have this channel with us that I really love because it's my, it's my main channel, and you guys know me here. So I'm gonna try to help my friend to put a video as well. Same as mine, but in a different way. It's like food trip. Yeah, food trip industries. So check it out, guys. We're gonna try our best to put a video every week. But for now, just enjoy the walking. That's supposed to be my name in the YouTube is Vince. I remember I put walking, relaxing TV, something like that. It's not meant to be, because the very first vlog I posted is with a baby in the womb. You know what I mean? So I just, documentary the day-to-day checkup of the baby, pregnancies, and everything. And I start to talk. I show my face in the people. They're kind of used to it. And now, the first ever vlog I put in the pandemic is in the, I think, and I was in Spar, yeah. I got my gloves on, hoodies, everything, jeans, to, because the first hit of pandemic is really, really, really scary. People get scared, they're really scared. Us, people, the first few months of the pandemic is really, really scary. It's true, scary as hell. Sorry about my language, guys. But it's true, scary. Oh, look at Fuerteventura, guys. See that sand behind that ferry? I think it's really nice to go there and walk, I can walk from point A to point B the whole day. If we have a good weather. If we have a bad weather, it. One day we're gonna go to Fuerteventura to show around as well. And meet people. No Man's Brothers is right there. I've been watching their vlogs as well, so all the Canary vloggers I've been watching. No Man's Brothers. See them a couple of vlogs, especially when they do collab with Scotchman, Mr. Sir Kevin Scotsman from Tenerife. We love it. Yeah, guys, it's getting chill. Look at that sky, it's great. But people are outside, shirtless or shirt on, moving across the tails. So yep, I pass through people.
Now this is the one. This is the one I was thinking. See,
Ah, it's getting quieter here. So guys, we reached the abandoned golf course around in the front of this beautiful restaurant Bagatella in La Luna. La Luna is closed because they're renovating. That's what I heard. Or someone took the place. So yeah. Avenida. The weather is really crazy nowadays. It's really a blue sky. The sun just came out. It's just very happy. Now it's cold again. Typical winter time. So guys, if you like the video, please give a big thumbs up. Way west right there, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to have a Western food specialties, they do have. So guys, for watching and coming with me, I hope you have a wonderful day. So do I. So if you like the video, please give a big thumbs up. Ooh. You okay? You okay, love?
Yeah.
Have a seat, have a seat. Have a seat first. Right there, right there.
Unusual. Thank you.
You okay?
Yeah.
Oh no. Yeah, bruises now.
That's alright. I wanted a trip on.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah. I watch you on YouTube.
Thank you, thank you. You're right, yeah?
Yeah. I'm okay, thank you.
Alright. Well, take care, guys. Sorry, guys, there's a little accident there. I hope she's okay. A bruises with the knees. So that's bad, Some road is not equal at the moment. So, guys, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching and enjoying the vlogs. And I hope I see you in the next video. So, guys, thank you once again for watching and have a great day. And see you in the next one. Peace.